I love my free sample by my friends at Kongli. So this is a 6.5. I'm usually a 7, but the 6.5 fits me well. This is a color beige, and I like the flats because they go with literally everything: skirts, dresses, jeans, shorts. So they're very comfortable, as you can see here. I just wanted to show you here. If I press, this is very comfortable. And here, this is, if you walk on wet surfaces, this is going to grip. It's very sturdy, very strong, so you won't fall and slip and stuff like that. So they have different colors. I like the bow. The design is so cute. So I hope you check them out. They really are worth the money. So I love them. I wish I can have them in all the colors because they're very comfortable and they are really useful to go out. Thank you for watching.